Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to do the problems in exercise 3. The first problem is find the value of unknown x in the following triangles. Here they have given 3 triangles in the first problem. Okay, the first problem is here they have given the triangle ABC. In its the unknown value is x degrees. 50 degrees and 60 degrees are the other angles. Okay. From angle sum property of a triangle, we can write the sum of angles in all angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. It means since from angle sum property. From angle sum property, we can write the all sum of all degrees in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Suppose if you add them, x degrees plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. X degrees equals to, if you transpose 180 degrees into right side, then it will become minus 110 degrees. 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 70 degrees. Here x equal to 70 degrees. Okay. Now let us see the second problem. Okay, here they have given the right angle triangle. Here angle they have given angle triangle PQR, and angle P it is showing the symbol of right angle. So from angle sum property of a triangle, all the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Okay, that is why x degrees plus 90 degrees plus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here it is from angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Since it is taken from angle sum property, okay, 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. Then x degrees equals to, suppose if you transpose 120 degrees into right hand side, then it will become minus 120 degrees. Then it can be written as 120 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is x degrees equals to 60 degrees. X equals to 60 degrees. Okay. Then x equals to 60 for this figure. Okay. Now see the third problem. Okay. Here they had given that triangle XYZ. In this triangle XYZ, from angle sum property, it can be written as x plus 110 plus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. It can be written as x degrees, x plus 30 degrees plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Since angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Suppose if you add 30 plus 110 degrees, it means x degrees equals to x degrees plus 40 degrees. 140 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then x equals to 40 degrees. Okay. So here the x equal to 40 degrees. Okay. For all these problems, we are using the angle sum property of triangle. For first problem, second problem, and third problem, we had used the angle sum property of triangle. According to angle sum property of triangle, all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Okay, with the use of angle sum property, we can solve this type of problems. Okay. Now see the second problem. Let us see the second problem in exercise 3. find x and y unknown values for the following figures. Okay, here they had given the triangles. Okay, now we have to find out the x and y in this triangle. Here they had given triangle PQR and okay, here they had given the triangle PQR and along with the triangle they had given the linear pair of angles. Okay, suppose if you see the linear pair of angles, the sum of linear pair equals to 180 degrees. So the angle y equals to 180 minus 120 becomes y equals to 60 degrees. So now see the here y degrees plus 120 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here since it is taken from linear pair of equation, linear pair of angles, from linear pair. Okay, from linear, okay, here y and 120 degrees are making 180 degrees. Here they are forming, they are framing the linear angle. So y plus 120 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Then y equals to 60 degrees. Okay, after getting the y value, here y equals to 60 degrees. Okay, after that from angle sum property, let it can be written as x plus y plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here it is taken from the angle sum property. Angle sum property. From angle sum property we can write like this. Okay, here x plus y means here we got the y value is 60 plus 50 equals to 180 degrees. Then x equals to here x plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then x equals to, if you transpose the 110 degrees to the right hand side, then we will get 70 degrees. Okay, here the x value equals to x equal to 70 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying here y and 120 degrees are making linear angles. So from pair of linear equations, pair of linear angles, we can written as y degrees plus 120 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y degrees equals to 180 minus 120. It becomes 60 degrees. After finding the y value, according to angle sum property of a triangle, it can be written as x plus y plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then x plus, in the place of y, we can write 60 degrees and 50 degrees. Okay, after that 60 plus 50, 110 degrees. Suppose if you transpose 110 degrees to the RHS, then we will get 70 degrees. Okay, here x equal to 70 degrees and y equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now let us see the second figure. Okay, here they had given the triangle RST. Okay, here they had given the angle x and y. Okay, suppose here they had given the vertical opposite angles. Okay, these vertical opposite angles are always equal. So x equals to 80 degrees from, since it can be taken from vertically opposite angles. From vertically opposite angles, all vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here x equals to 80 degrees. Then we have to find y. So after becoming x equals to 80 degrees, from angle sum property of triangle, since angle sum property, we can written as x plus y plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here we find the x value. X is nothing but 80 degrees. X is equal to 80 degrees plus y plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here 80 plus 50 means 130, 180 degrees. Okay, then y equals to 180 minus 130 degrees. Then finally y equals to 180 minus 130 degrees means 50 degrees. Here the angle is x equals to 80 degrees and y equals to 50 degrees. Okay. In this way, we can solve the figures. Okay, now let us see the third problem in the second point. Okay, this is the given triangle. Okay, now let us see. Here they have given the triangle M and O. Here they have given the angles. What in the triangle is 50, 60 and 5 degrees. Okay, with the help of angle sum property, we can write the y value. Okay, here y plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180 degrees. From it can be taken from, since the angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property. Okay, then y degrees plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 180 minus 110 degrees. Then y equals to 70 degrees. Okay, now y equals to 70 degrees. Okay, to find the y value, now we have to find the x. Okay, here x and y both are linear pair of angles. Then x plus y equals to 180 degrees from linear pair angles. Linear pair angles always forms 180 degrees with their proper sum. Okay, here the y value is x plus y means 70 degrees. Then x equals to y 180 minus 70 degrees. It means 110 degrees. Then x equals to 110 degrees. X equals to 110 degrees. Okay. Once again I am saying, here they had given a triangle M and O. Okay, in that x and y are the unknown values. So y is the angle of a triangle and the angles of triangle are 50, 60 and y. Okay, from the angle sum property of triangle, it can be written as y plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180 degrees. Then it can be written as y plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 180 minus 110, y equals to 1070 degrees. Okay, after finding the y value, we can find the x value. Okay, with the help of linear pair of angles, linear pair angles always forms 180 degrees with their addition. Okay, then x plus y equals to 180 degrees. Okay, if we substitute y value in the x plus y, then x equals to, we will get x equals to 110 degrees. Okay, now let us see the fourth problem. Okay, this is the triangle ABC they have given. Okay, in this triangle, 30 x and y are the angles. Okay, here if you observe angle 60 equals to x or x equal to 60 because the vertically opposite angles are equal. Here x equals to 60 degrees. Since vertically opposite angles. Okay, from vertically opposite angles, it can be written as x equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now see the remaining y value. Okay, here from angle sum property of triangle, it can be written as x plus y plus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. It is from angle sum property. Then x equals to, after substituting the x value, x equal to 60 plus 30 plus y equals to 180 degrees. Then 90 degrees plus y equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 180 minus 90 degrees. Then y equals to 90 degrees. Okay, here x equals to 60 degrees and y equals to 90 degrees. Okay, in this way we can solve the problem. The next problems in the second Roman that we can do. Thank you, children.